remember Dave Chappelle? Dave was talking about how he was hanging out with his white buddy, and there was a cop at the light, and he's like, Dave, I think I'm gonna race him. Alright, here we go, flat out. They gave us free reign.
Nice.
Okay, 2 pedals on this one.
Yes.
Okay, think, Casey. Reprogram brain. Oh, it's in metric. I'm lost. Okay, think. Okay, I gotta need to look at these gauges and stuff. Bar, Celsius, temperatures, RPM, speed, whatever. All right. Got it. All right, let's go. Lykan. How cool is this, right? This car is so much more live when it's turning. It's lighter, it's more of a knife edge. That's what made me think of the Lotus Exige back when. Yeah. Right here is not where I want to start leaning on it. Where it was dusty with the Jersey berry and then these rocks. Can you imagine how much those rocks would tear up a car with a monocoque? Oh, yeah. I better pay attention here. Yeah, it looks like we're all going to blow by this guy. Go, Lykan. Whenever I see those little trash receptacles that are black, John, yeah. When I first see it, I think it's an Amish buggy. Really? And then I have to remember, no, yeah. Not an Amish buggy.
I do think it is some sort of like a vending stand.
Right. It's for trash or something. Yes, yeah, it's for trash. It looks like an Amish buggy sitting there from far away. I'm going to let him have this one. There's a motorcycle and another car coming up. Oh, boy. I grew up in the 90s with Need for Speed, too. I was born for this. Woo! No, we're not even going yet. Yes. Listen to those turbos come in. They come in a lot faster than the Lykan.
Faster. Great sound.
I love the way this sounds. I mean, I know we're not talking much of just driving, but yeah. it's just so darn enjoyable.
Got a great tone.
I would much rather have this than a new Lamborghini.
Yeah.
But it's also got exclusivity and more character.
I like, you know? I mean, the design is actually, I think, better too. It's more creative.
And honestly, I feel like Lamborghini was like, oh, we made the Countach, let's just refine that. That's we got nothing else.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Which I like, but you gonna roast him or not? You remember Dave Chappelle? Dave was talking about how he was hanging out with his white buddy, and there was a cop at the light, and he's like, Dave, I think I'm gonna race him. great exhaust note. Pretty powerful exhaust, actually. All right, here we go, flat out. Madness. Hello, son. I just could upshift and just use the torque. The turbo's coming in quick. Obviously being kind of delicate. Stay there, truck. You don't know what's coming. And now. Mindful not to step it out. Yeah. I mean, you know, I could drive it differently instead of trying to drift it, but first of all, that'd be madness right now. So I'm just doing like I would any like really pleasant car drive rally kind of thing, you know? Right. And the temperatures are all perfect. And we're driving pretty hard, you know. I think I might have done that dip and acceleration right there. Yeah, with the mapping. Yep. It's alright, let's see how it does in a second. If I do it for it, I can drive around that, so we'll wait until we get... I'll wait until we get up to the top and then we can reset it. So right now, one little thing that's going on. So guys, this is obviously a testing prototype pre-production car. With regard to the programming, this car I can shift going flat out and it'll lift the throttle and everything, unlike the Lykan where I got to do old school three-pedal. And it's got a little inconsistency where the flip for the upshift, when it goes to do it properly for the gearbox, it does it a little longer than it needs to. So kind of my race car driving, race testing mentality is doing that to get us to the next place. I'll just drive it again more like the Lykan, or shall we say a shifter car or something. So I'll just go ahead and let off for the upshift, and then the computer's happy. So we get up here, we'll reset it and do a little bit of testing with regard to that. So not a big deal, just but it's kind of cool that we actually get to help sort the car out for production. Fast, just a beautiful car. If I let off and do it manually, it's fine. Yeah. But I'm letting off a little bit. I'm not going as hard as I was, just kind of out of respect for the car at the moment. Obviously, I can go a lot faster. Spot where we turned off? Yeah, I think it is. No, it's not. Shoot. It's not it. Well, that's kind of a bummer because that was a cool part of the road. are all good. Out in a second. Looks like it.
Yeah, I think it's the next level.
I think it is too. Now in a second. Here, I'm going to feel like a jerk if we flew by it. Yeah, yep. Okay. We need to just reset the battery. I guess we'll just move around this way. Got it. Turbos, I'm gonna let them spool for a sec. I'm waiting for the dash to boot up. Come on. There we go. Good. That's a good point. Both dashboard screens are on Fenyr and W motors and haven't booted up to gauges and things yet. Oh, lock, unlock. Ah! How do you feel, John?
I feel great.
Oh yeah, there it is. She's happy. This could get you in trouble if you came whizzing in here and getting all big slappering. I think we're gonna go by. You know, it's interesting. A takeaway I'm having after being here a couple of days and making friends and driving cars and kind of in my comfort zone. I mean, neither one of us have ever been this far away from home, right? But it feels familiar and good. And I think that's the moment. All of this and being around other cultures, people in another country starts to feel the best. 2013, the Genius Garage educational programs have been responsible for launching the careers of young engineers, mechanics, and fabricators. So this holiday season, consider checking out Genius Garage and its website, geniusgarageracing.com, and making a donation. Whether it's small or large, what we do together is how we shape a better future for everyone. Thanks for watching.